Have you ever opened your banking app and thought, wait, I make decent money. Where did it all go? You're not broke, but you're also not moving forward. And you tell yourself, once I earn more, things will finally click. Yeah, that feeling? That's literally most people in their 20s. My name's Denver, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, investing, and why smart people keep making the same mistakes. If you work hard but still feel stuck financially, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Mistake number 1 is waiting to invest. Most people think investing is something you do after you're successful, so they delay. Not because they're lazy, but because the future feels far away. Invest $200 a month starting at 22, you end up with about $560,000. Start at 32, about $245,000. Same money, same effort. One decision costs over $300,000. This isn't a math problem, it's a psychology problem. Now, mistake number 2 is sneakier. You get a raise, and suddenly your life upgrades with it. New car, better place, more subscriptions. It feels like progress, but in reality, you were just spending. But here's what most people don't realize. Lifestyle inflation keeps you stuck. Nearly 40% of people can't cover a $400 emergency, not because they earn too little, but because spending eats every raise. Mistake number 3 is avoiding boring money stuff. Credit cards, fees, insurance. It's not fun, so people ignore it. And that avoidance costs the average household over $1,000 a year. Ignoring money problems doesn't stop them. It makes them compound. Here's what actually works. Start investing early, even small. Invest part of every raise, and once a month, face the boring stuff. Your 20s aren't about being perfect with money. They're about avoiding mistakes that steal decades of freedom. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today.